Today, we're diving into the world of communication wizardry and shedding light on the incredible technology that powers our modern world, fiber optics. And in this video, we'll unravel the secrets of how these tiny threads of light work their magic, so let's get started. First things first, what exactly are fiber optics? Well, imagine super thin strands of glass or plastic, thinner than a human hair, that carry information using light signals. These strands are like the highways of data transmission, and they're changing the way we communicate. Let's break it down. Fiber optics work on the principle of total internal reflection. When light enters the core of the fiber at a certain angle, it bounces off the walls of the core over and over, always staying trapped within. This means the light can travel long distances without losing its strength. Now, how does information travel through these strands of light? Well, think of it like Morse code. Imagine turning the light on and off rapidly in a specific pattern. These light pulses, or bits, represent the ones and zeros of digital information, and as these pulses zip down the fiber, they carry emails, videos, and all sorts of data at the speed of. Fiber optics have two main parts, the core and the cladding. The core is where the light travels, while the cladding is designed to keep the light inside the core. It's like having a protective shield to ensure the light stays on track. The advantages of fiber optics are mind-boggling. They can transmit data over much longer distances without losing quality. Plus, they're immune to electromagnetic interference, making them perfect for areas with a lot of electrical noise. Fiber optics are behind the lightning-fast internet connections we enjoy today. The marvels of fiber optics demystified. These little strands of light are the backbone of our interconnected world, making information travel faster and farther than ever before. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech wonders. Feel free to drop your questions or thoughts in the comments below.